because the higher we get, the harder it is to breathe because of the oxygen.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mother's family.
Exactly. So we had to go up
That's
and
why
then wait a
echo
little bit, and then go up
Ito.
This is my
slowly
mother.
Doon ito.
to adapt our lungs.
This
and
is my
lungs.
father. Husband, auntie.
So,
Ang talati. Oh, ang dili.
And then when we are
Kaya
at the
ako photographer
top,
si Madi.
we have to go down because
Andito
otherwise
ako.
our lungs will have
Andito ako sa pool ng uncle ko. Ang ganda-ganda niya. Ang ganda dito. Ang ganda niya. Tingnan nyo. Maganda siya. You can come in here. Torrent. Ha? Torrent? Torrent. It's porridge. Porridge. Yan o. Ang ganda pala dito, no? Ang ganda-ganda. Walang na lang mag-swimming ako because so nice. Kita ngayon ako mad. Yo.
Gila mo.
Yes. Nada dito, para siya talagang nasa ibang bansa yung view. Parang feeling mo andun ka sa ibang bansa. Naramdaman ko na parang andun ako sa Australia ata. Yung pinuhaan ni ano ito, my brother. Yung mag-swimming.
Mga children
Mga children.
going to the pool, down, upstairs and down.
Gawas lang tanong. Dito pala yun, mag-alala ka. Dito pala yun, kung if you are really coming here and you sit down here and then like that, and then swimsuit, like that. Maganda pala dito, Mad, no? Para ka talagang nasa ibang bansa. You feel something in the sa ibang bansa talaga yung feeling ko. Feeling mo napunta ka sa ibang bansa. Itong lugar na ito. Siguro dahil my uncle is
Very rich.
rich na, he is prospering because he is an engineer.
Ang doctor.
Oh, the
May-
wife is a doctor. Nagano sila, nagsandipwersa siguro. Ito na yung lugar nila kasi they are prospering. Oo. Actually, yung sa amin talaga is gagawa din si parang ganito. He is trying to make like this. Tapos
Soon.
gagawa talaga siya. Siguro kunin niya yung idea ng uncle ko, iwan ko. Basta sabi din niya mag-ano daw siya, maggawa ng swimming pool. Hindi niya maintindihan. He is the one coming to me and very curious when we are arrived here. My husband, because my husband is not Filipino, he is always trying to talk to me. Uncle Junjun. Now, you asking my uncle. Okay naman siguro, Mad.
We continue.
Continue pa rin? Pila na ka oras?
3.
Minutes? Hindi, parang okay na ako, Mad. O, data na naman. Ingani yun mo, Mad. Si CD, imo pa posing-posingon. Ikaw mag-videohay. Siguro daga. Siguro dito mag-dive. Siguro dito ka mag-dive. Tama ba, Mad? Yung mga bata pa ganun siguro. Kasi this is my first time to coming here to my uncle's place actually. I don't know what's going on. This is really my first time and I'm very impressed the place. I'm very mataba ako. Tapos videohin mo na lang ako ng videohin kasi walang sa akin videographer eh. Kung gusto niyo pumunta dito, actually, the name is GB Nature Farm and Resort. Parang ready na talaga itong lugar nila. Yes. Parang ready na talaga itong, mahuyo ko, Mad. Parang ready na talaga itong lugar nila for renting to the rich people. What do you think, Madi? It's expensive in here?
Yes, very expensive.
How expensive?
The per head person is 150.
Head pa lang
Yes.
yan. It's not included.
It's not included the cottage,
The
the pool.
Aha, per head pa lang yan.
Head pa lang yan with entrance.
Aha, kaya pala. Pag mayaman pala talaga siya. Kasi head pa lang yan eh. Ano?
150 na.
I think it's enough. You off na. Bye.